Today we're checking out a super useful trick on the 2025 Ford Mustang. How to get longer gear or cargo in through the trunk using the rear seat pass-through. If you've ever wondered how to haul surfboards, skis, lumber, or other long items in your Mustang, this trick is your friend. Alright, first step, open the trunk and make sure the rear seats are unlocked. The 2025 Mustang comes with a 60/40 split rear seat backrest that can fold down to give you extra length when you need it. You'll see small release tabs or loops at the top of your seats. Pull that release, that unlocks the seat back. Both sides fold, giving you a decent pass-through from trunk to cabin. Fold down one side or both if you need full length. Now you've got a tunnel from your trunk through into the cabin area behind the front seats. This opens up cargo space significantly for long items. By using the rear seat pass-through, you keep the car's profile sleek and still get the extra length needed. It's a great trick for surfers, DIYers, or anyone hauling long gear who still wants the advantage of a Mustang's trunk. Just a couple of quick notes. Always make sure the seat backs are locked securely before driving, and double check that your load doesn't block visibility or interfere with seat belts if you're carrying passengers. There you have it. It's a simple way to make your 2025 Ford Mustang way more versatile without sacrificing the car's sleek profile. If you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe to South Bay Ford and Lincoln's YouTube channel. And stay tuned for more Mustang tips, tricks, and walkarounds. Catch you next time.